Oh, wow. They're all Duesenbergs, right?
Yep.
Why is this car so much longer than those? It's different.
This is a really special Duesenberg.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely special.
1929 Duesenberg Model J LeBaron dual cowl Phaeton. When this car was bought new, the cost was $14,300, and the buyer paid cash. $265 horsepower, all of them built with custom bodies. This is the only one that was built on a long wheelbase chassis.
This particular one or this model?
This particular car.
This is a one-off car?
Yes. 154-inch wheelbase.
Oh, wow. This car was built as a limo? Because look at the back here.
So this would be the dual cowl Phaeton. So this separate piece, this is like a second cowl with its own windshield. But to get in the car, you would open the door.
Okay.
And there's a hidden handle here. And you release this handle, and this comes up, and now you've got room to get in the back.
Look at the room. Unbelievable.
There's even a fold-out footrest. Look at that. They thought about everything.
They did.
So this is a straight 8, 420 cubic inches.
What?
Dual overhead cam, 265 horsepower.